Hi there! Today is Saturday. We go out. We actually go out only on the weekends. And since we have a 9 to 5 job, it's pretty uncomfortable to be out after work or early before work. So we will be going out for a brunch. I enjoy brunches. I'm a brunch girl. So I have a very big list with places in Dublin. And not only in Dublin, also when I travel, I really target them. We couldn't do a reservation, so I don't know if we will be able to get in. I really hope so. It's 8:15 and it's opening at 8:30, and I kind of need 40 minutes to be there. So I hope we are going to make it by 9. We heard only good reviews about it. Actually, all the places that I have on my list, they have good reviews on it. After that, I plan to go to my favorite skincare market shop. I have no idea how to call it. Basically, this is a warehouse. This it's actually also in the name. I think it's the Alchemist Warehouse. The name. It's my favorite place to buy skincare products. I also order online. However, it's nicer to just be there and check the ingredients, see what other products I want to try. So it's one of my top things to do. So yeah, and basically this is what we plan for today: brunch and this shop. So not planning much after. I do have some indoor plans, like for myself, maybe reading a bit, maybe baking, maybe changing a plant spot, which I'm kind of postponing for a while now. Poor plant. Let's see how it goes and hope I can film as much as possible. I am not entirely sure how familiar you all are with this shop, but I'm pretty confident that if you're from the other side of Europe, it's a well known place. Essentially, they stock goods from Eastern Europe, like you can think snacks, sweets, and even specific traditional foods. And you can imagine they even have mustard, because let's be honest, English mustard should probably come with a caution label. I'd been on the hunt for this everywhere, and since I'm quite the baker, I was happy to spot this orange flavor, which I've noticed it's often missing from the Irish shelves. So our day's adventure continues, and we made a little pit stop at TK Maxx. Now I was on a mission, eye masks for some serious relaxation time. But I couldn't quite find the perfect fit for myself, so I kind of let it go. Check out what I stumbled upon instead. I mean, Seriously, these jams are just too adorable. Can we talk about that presentation? I think it's absolutely amazing. I've had my eye on this for a while now, and I think it's all about stepping up our sustainability game. And this purchase, it's a major step, so I'm totally recommend you guys to make a change as well if possible. And next to it, look what I found. Such a cutie. I have one at home, so I'm not gonna spend money on another one, but it is really cute. I stumbled upon two dresses that really caught my eye. But a little plot twist, the green one turned out to have a little stain, so I won't be showcasing that. However, the blue one, it totally stole my heart. But now here's the kicker. It was a tad too large, so well, sometimes you just gotta let things go, you know. And yeah, basically here you have my letting go face in all its glory. And later on, we finally made it to the chemist warehouse. I had to grab a few products that I use regularly and had run out of. Plus, those eye masks I've been eyeing for a while were on my list as well. In the end, I actually decided to give some from Garnier a shot. They looked quite promising, so why not test them out? I hope they turn out to be alright. And by the way, I've got a serious skincare obsession, so if that piques your interest, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because I'll be diving into all things skincare soon and you won't want to miss it. As we headed back home, the rain decided to kick it up a notch. Well, that's Irish weather for you. And anyway, speaking of our little adventure, here's the scoop on today's shopping/groceries haul. Classic Romanian snacks. I took 3 types of them, because why not? The little orange flavor I talked about. The semolina flour, I'm not sure how it's called, but semolina it is. And the mustard, because I absolutely miss it. And here are the beauty products, or I don't know, hygiene products, or how you want to call them. Basically the cotton pads, bit of hygiene, and here are the skincare products. This is something that I always use. I really recommend it. I hope you enjoy it too. I have these CeraVe products, which I had only the night one so far, and now I'm testing the one with the SPF. The Cerozinc, which I really recommend for acne-prone skin, and the 2 masks, which I'm trying now. They really look promising, so let's see how it goes. Before we wrap it up, it's time for a well-deserved coffee break after spending all that time exploring the city. And there you have it, folks. That's a wrap for today's video. If you've made it this far, please don't forget to give a thumbs up to show some love. Stay tuned for more exciting content from Dublin and Ireland. And yeah, see you next time.